In this video, I want to share with you how to translate your document or your text using the Google Translate. With Google Translate, you can access it using two methods or three methods. The first method is when you open your Google page as the home page. If you have Google as your home page, you can just come to this Google Apps. You just click on it and you come all the way down to translate over here. So once you click on translate, it's going to take you to the page directly, translate.google.com. okay, so once you are on translate.google.com, what you see is you have the option to translate by voice. Okay, you can say the voice and it's going to take in your message and it's going to translate. So this is the detected language, and then you can translate to, let's say, Arabic, for example. So let's say something and see how it's going to translate it. Let's say we are writing in English. So let's start. Welcome to Epic Mentorship. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. We stop. Okay, so you can see the translation directly over here, and it translates it kind of perfectly, right? So welcome to Epic Mentorship. Please remember to subscribe. This is English and this is Arabic. So you can do it by virtue of dictation, and it will just pick it by voice. Or another way to do it is to copy the text from somewhere and just paste it. Okay, so assuming I have this my speech that I made on the price I just want. So let's say we pick this part of the speech. All right, we just pick this part and we paste it here, and it's going to ask it to translate to Arabic. Okay, it's going to translate this to Arabic, and you can see the translation directly. So you can easily copy out, and then you can go back to your workspace and continue working. Or you can share this to people. Okay, you can share this outside on social media or through the email. You can share via email as well. And likewise, you can do the other way around. You can hit this and it's going to translate from Arabic back to English, or back to Spanish, or back to another language. You just, with this arrow, you can do that. You can do handwriting as well. So this is by keyboard, English by keyboard, English by Vorak, and English by handwriting. Okay, you can use handwriting as well. All right, so over here, this is for text and this is for document. If you have a piece of document, you can easily translate it also directly without you opening it and copying it individually to get it translated to a given language. So let's try that. Let's say we come to document, and we have the options to choose a document that is specifically in this format, either the docs, the docs, .odf, PDF, PPT, PPTX, PS, RTF text, and XLS and XLXX. So it all depends. It has to be in this format, then it will translate for you instantly. So assuming I have a document in Word and I just picked it, navigate to the location and then say this document, the price of success, and just open it. And once I open it, I select the language that I want it to be translated. Right now it's English and I want it to be translated to Arabic. So I just say translate, and you can see it over here. It's just been translated to Arabic. So you just copy it, Ctrl C, and you can come back to wherever you want to paste it. For example, this is the speech. So I just paste it over here. So this is the Arabic version. Okay, this is the English version and this is the Arabic version, and you can work with it anyhow you want it. And the translation, to some degree, is kind of very effective, and it's been a little bit it has a high accuracy as regards that, right? So over here you can visit your history, you can visit your translation history, and you can visit your saved history, and you can contribute. Also, you can invite others to contribute while you translate your document. You can easily invite them by their email address. Once they have Gmail, they can easily join you and they can see or comment or contribute live while you are working. All this feature, you just need to make sure you are logged in with your Google account, and you will have access to this translation, and your work is going to be saved accordingly. You can visit the history and you can see what you have translated. You've translated this to Arabic, you've translated this to Arabic. You can see the details and you can revisit them if you want. the saved ones, you have not saved any so far, and you can collaborate and invite people just by clicking on collaborating and inviting people. So help increase verified translation for your language. Maybe you have someone who is an Arabian who speaks Arabic quite fluently. You can just get started and get him invited, get him into this, and he contributes to make it a better translation or a perfect translation, right? So ladies and gentlemen, this is about Google Translate. If you like this video, if you learned something about this, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.